Okay, it's June 22nd, 2017. It's Thursday, and about almost 5 o'clock in the evening. This engine is one I picked up from Mickey Cyrus over in over in Okemos, Michigan, and paid $100 for it. And he has owned it in his family since he was a kid, and he's 71 now. So it was kept indoors, and underneath the stairwell is where they found it. It sat for years and years and years down there. So anyway, he didn't know the last time it had been run. It had been a long, long time. So I filed the points. It got spark, and I put a new plug in this end, just cleaned this one up, but it has spark on both. And I got the gas cap off. It broke, but I got the gas cap off. All I did was pour a little bit of gas in. So we're going to do a first start here. I've got to fire before, but I haven't run it. So we're going to see if it'll run here. That's the initial run right there.